Cybersecurity AI and machine learning refer to the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning (ML) technologies into cybersecurity practices to enhance threat detection, prevention, and response. These technologies enable systems to analyze vast amounts of data in real time, identify patterns or anomalies that may indicate malicious activity, and autonomously adapt to new threats. AI can automate routine security tasks, such as monitoring network traffic or scanning for vulnerabilities, while ML algorithms can continuously learn from new data and improve their ability to detect previously unknown attacks. This dynamic approach helps organizations stay ahead of cybercriminals, reducing the response time to threats and minimizing potential damage. In summary, AI and ML in cybersecurity empower systems to identify, assess, and mitigate risks more efficiently, ensuring a more proactive and adaptive defense against evolving cyber threats.